Okay, bright and early Saturday morning. Gotta get Petey going, get going. So what we gotta do today is go unplug a bunch of pipes for a canal that we worked for last year. And they've had some grates built and some plates to cover the pipe to stop the water because it's uncontrollable. So we can get in there and fish the crap out. That'll be interesting. So, can't drive the Dodge diesel today. I gotta drive the little Dodge on account of this right here. Check that out. So that's destroyed. The joint went out. Anyway, I didn't even know it until it started pouring oil out. So I'm probably gonna need a new axle shaft because it's ruined where the joint goes. Yummy. So there's like 4 or 5 big pipes here, and I don't know, 100 years ago there used to be head gates here, but there's not anymore. So pipes get plugged full of debris because there's no grates out here. So they've got grates now that they've built, and we got to set those in, and then some big flat 3/8 plates in front of the pipe shut the water off. And then we're going to try to go up the back of the pipe here with a chain and then take the hoe, try to pull the debris out and unplug it. That power pole right there has been shoved in there and broke and shattered. They had somebody with an excavator in here trying to get that poked through, but it's like 50 feet through there and it's just so jammed up they couldn't get it. That's all the junk he's got to get out of there. He's got a big rock over there, and that one he's got to get out of the way, and then a bunch of big logs and it's gonna fall back in on him. You're gonna have to pull forward, swing it clear over here. 336 would be easier to swing it and handle it, but we didn't want to bring that big sucker clear up here for a little bit of work. We're hoping we can get it all taken care of with the backhoe. Uh-oh, back in the hole. Okay, Jake's got all this cleaned out in the ice and the mud so we didn't go on our head. And we got all of them cleaned out except this one right here, and this one's plugged tight. So he's gonna come over here and make him a trail down in here so he can back the backhoe in. And this last pipe, plugged tight, but it's got a big old log sticking out of it here. So he's gonna get down in here and see if he can grab that, pull it out, and see if that'll cut things loose. It's a backhoe, it's a bulldozer, it's a front end loader. Well, you're on a tree now. You got good support. Can't see nothing now. You dirtied the water up.
See one of them.
Can you? Let him go.
The head gauge, won't it?
No, that goes in the diversion around benders. There you go. Well, I can feel that clear back here. Jake's got him a battering ram. What are the odds we'll ever get it unplugged doing this?
Not very good. But it'd be cool.
What's this one? Just a waterlogged piece of crap, or is that a big long one?
It came out a minute
Can you get it down, or? Boy, the stuff's coming out. There's a whole bunch of stuff trying to come out there and there. Pull it over to that side. Now whatever's over there is caught. Now, can you shove it in a little farther? Are you hitting anything?
I don't feel anything.
I actually think it's flowing now. Oh yeah, there's more coming out. Holy cow, pull your bowl out a little. Okay, I guess you can poke it in some more, but lots of mud coming out now. I think that's got that one cured finally. Oh yeah, moving water now. It's been plugged for over a year, so it's probably half full of mud too. I think it's free.
I do too.
So I went down the other day to my cat dealer and I got some hose for that blown out dozer line on the cat. And as I walked out the store with my parts book, I set it on the box behind the cab so I could throw them big hoses in the back of the truck. Forgot about it, drove off, and it wasn't in the truck when I got home, so I called the cat dealer and I said, hey, did somebody find that in the parking lot? And they said no. So I called my salesman, Jim Betty, and he gladly went out to the on-ramp to the freeway. There's a cattle guard there. I says, it probably fell off when I turned the corner. So he looked in the cattle guard and he walked up and down the on-ramp, couldn't find it. And then the next day, somebody came in the store, they saw this laying out in the freeway and they stopped and picked it up and brought it back. As you can see, it got run over pretty good. There's a tire mark on it. But believe it or not, when I got it back, my receipts were still in it. And one of the receipts had a little bag stapled to it that had a couple of elevator chain pins, retainer pins for MAT 613, and they were still in the book. So it survived. Anyway, the guy didn't say who he was or anything. I said, you should have got his name. I'd have sent him a hat or a calendar. So whoever it was, thank you very much for that. I didn't have to buy another one.